Hello, sir. Good evening. In our situation that we are in right now, the new normal way, it is sometimes difficult for us to go to clinics and laboratories for checkups, especially if we are residing in far-flung areas. How do you take care of yourself or your family in order for them to be healthy and far from getting sick?
Hello, good evening. This is Mr. Edgardo Barrelea, and I'd like to share to you some of the healthy tips that we are observing, especially with my family, now that we are in what we call pandemic. No? So, to keep us healthy, first of all, we have to eat nutritious food and see to it that the foods that we're eating are rich in vitamins, minerals, nutrients to protect our body from whatever illness that may sit in. Beside the food, we are also going to drink, of course, clean water, clean water, especially treated water like distilled.
Okay, sir. Are you using medical herbs?
So in the case of medicinal herbs, specifically certain types of medicinal herb, as of now, we really don't use medicinal herbs because all of us are okay at this time.
It's good to hear that, sir. But have you tried using medical herbs before?
One of those medicinal herbs that I can still remember when we were young and up to now, we can still apply it. We can use the lapunaya. As I observed that lapunaya is usually used especially if a kid or a child or even adults are not feeling well or they have fever. So you just crumple the lapunaya and extract the juice and place it on the head of a child or even adults. And also, one of the other medicinal herbs that were common before and up to this day is the artemisa. And artemisa is a very good medicinal plant or herb that is specifically used also for children with fever. And for minor UTI, usually we have this plant called sinaw-sinaw, wherein the plant is being gathered and place the hot water on it, and the concoction is usually drunk for a couple of days to relieve the person from UTI and to relieve its painful effect of the urinary tract infection. So we have the sinaw-sinaw. And in case of hubag, especially for children, that is most common to them, one of the herbs that we used is lapunaya. So lapunaya is binakumos na siya, no, until such time na magwa ang juice ang lapunaya. Then you place it all over the hubag, no, then itapal mo doon sa hubag at saka lagyan ng clean gauze or tela so that for the whole night yung crushed lapunaya will be absorbed by the hubag. Then you will observe that the following day na makupos na ang hubag. So most of these herbal herbs, medicine will help in any way to alleviate our minor problems.
Thank you, Sir Edgar, for those very useful information you've shared. And having all those ideas coming from you, I'll try them too.
Okay, thank you, Niño. Hope that nakabuli ako sa imong task. So, good evening.
Thank you again, Sir Edgar, and good evening.